Modern science has made unimaginable strides over the last century, and many of the breakthroughs that define our world today came from a handful of transformative experiments. These weren't just theoretical or academic exercises. They fundamentally changed how we view life, the universe, and our own biology. From unlocking the secrets of our genes to discovering the basic structure of matter, these experiments laid the foundation for major advancements in medicine, computing, agriculture, and space exploration. Unlike ancient or classical discoveries, modern experiments often involve large teams, complex technology, and collaboration across countries. Yet their impact resonates on a deeply personal level, shaping how we treat disease, access information, and explore the cosmos. These are not just milestones of science, they are defining moments in human history. Here are the top 5 modern scientific experiments that changed humanity. Number 5. The CRISPR gene editing experiment. In 2012, biochemists Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier published a revolutionary paper that demonstrated how a bacterial defense system known as CRISPR-Cas9 could be used as a precise and programmable gene editing tool. CRISPR, originally a mechanism bacteria use to fend off viruses, could be adapted to cut and paste sections of DNA in virtually any organism. This was the first time such genetic surgery could be performed with ease, efficiency, and accuracy, without the expensive, time-consuming tools of older gene editing technologies like zinc fingers or talons. The scientific world immediately recognized its significance, as the technique held promise for curing genetic diseases, modifying crops, and even engineering future generations. Trials using CRISPR to cure sickle cell anemia and certain cancers have already shown promising results. The ethical implications are vast, and debates around designer babies and genetic enhancement are still unfolding. Yet despite controversy, CRISPR remains one of the most transformative scientific breakthroughs of the 21st century. The power of CRISPR lies in its accessibility and simplicity. Researchers can design a short RNA sequence to guide the Cas9 enzyme to any point in the genome and make a clean, targeted cut. This means virtually any gene in any organism can be edited or silenced. From agriculture to medicine, CRISPR has already changed how science is conducted. In agriculture, it enables the rapid development of crops that are pest-resistant or climate-tolerant. In medicine, it brings the once distant dream of personalized therapy to the present. Labs around the world are experimenting with how CRISPR could be used to treat blindness, muscular dystrophy, and even HIV. The experiment sparked an entire field of gene editing technology, earning Doudna and Charpentier the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Number 4. The Large Hadron Collider and the discovery of the Higgs boson. In July 2012, after decades of theoretical predictions and experimental pursuit, scientists at CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, announced the discovery of the Higgs boson. Sometimes called the God particle, the Higgs boson is responsible for giving mass to fundamental particles through the Higgs field, a concept proposed in the 1960s. The LHC, an enormous 27-kilometer-long circular particle accelerator located under the border of France and Switzerland, was specifically designed to recreate conditions just after the Big Bang by colliding protons at nearly the speed of light. The resulting data confirmed the Higgs boson's existence, filling the last missing gap in the standard model of particle physics, which describes how fundamental forces and particles interact. This discovery was a monumental validation of decades of work by thousands of physicists worldwide. The experiment was not just a triumph of physics, but also of international cooperation and technological ambition. The LHC houses thousands of superconducting magnets cooled to near absolute zero, making it one of the coldest places in the universe. The detectors had to record data from hundreds of millions of particle collisions per second, requiring massive computational power and advanced data science techniques. The discovery of the Higgs boson didn't just answer a long-standing question, it confirmed that the standard model works at the smallest scales. Moreover, the LHC has continued exploring deeper questions about dark matter, extra dimensions, and antimatter. Its success proves that massive scientific collaborations can unlock the secrets of the universe and inspire future generations to push the boundaries of what's possible. Number 3. The Human Genome Project. The Human Genome Project, HGP, launched in 1990 and completed in 2003, was one of the most ambitious and far-reaching scientific undertakings in history. It aimed to sequence and map all 3 billion base pairs of human DNA, essentially decoding the instruction manual for human life. This international collaboration involved researchers from the United States, United Kingdom, Japan, France, Germany, and China, among others. After 13 years of intensive work and over $3 billion in funding, the project was completed ahead of schedule and under budget. It revealed that the human genome contains around 20,000 to 25,000 genes, and most of our DNA is made of non-coding regions once considered junk, but now known to have regulatory functions. The HGP set the foundation for personalized medicine, genetic testing, and bioinformatics. The long-term impact of the Human Genome Project is staggering. It has revolutionized medicine, allowing for early diagnosis and custom treatments based on a person's genetic makeup. It has played a crucial role in understanding complex diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Genetic screening for hereditary conditions such as BRCA mutations for breast cancer has become routine. The project also gave rise to entire industries focused on biotechnology, genomics, and molecular diagnostics. Direct-to-consumer services like 23andMe and Ancestry.com trace their origins to the HGP's success. Beyond health, the Genome Project deepened our understanding of human evolution, migration patterns, and even behavioral genetics. It was a defining moment in biology that continues to influence countless aspects of science and daily life. Number 2. The Bell Labs Transistor Experiment. In 1947, scientists John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley at Bell Labs conducted a series of experiments that led to the invention of the transistor. Their device could amplify and switch electronic signals, functions that previously required bulky, unreliable vacuum tubes. The transistor was smaller, faster, more energy efficient, and far more durable. It quickly became the fundamental building block of all modern electronics. Without the transistor, computers would be the size of rooms and smartphones wouldn't exist. This single invention laid the foundation for the digital age and earned the trio the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1956. The importance of this experiment cannot be overstated. Transistors are now embedded in everything from watches and calculators to satellites and supercomputers. The miniaturization of the transistor gave rise to integrated circuits and Moore's law, the observation that computing power doubles approximately every 2 years. As a result, technology has advanced at an exponential pace. The transistor also revolutionized communication, enabling everything from the internet to mobile phones and GPS. It turned abstract electronics theory into the engine of modern civilization. This experiment was not just a leap for physics and engineering, it reshaped how humans connect, work, and think. Number 1. The discovery of the double helix structure of DNA. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, with crucial contributions from Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, deciphered the double helix structure of DNA. Using Franklin's X-ray crystallography images, especially the famous Photo 51, Watson and Crick constructed a model showing how DNA is composed of 2 strands forming a twisted ladder, with complementary base pairs, AT, GC, connecting them. This elegant structure explained how genetic information is stored, copied, and transmitted, fundamentally changing biology forever. Their model revealed that DNA's structure enables self-replication, which is the core of inheritance. The implications stretched far beyond genetics, laying the groundwork for molecular biology, biotechnology, and medicine. The discovery sparked a golden age of biology. Within a few decades, scientists could manipulate genes, clone organisms, and develop genetically modified foods. It enabled forensic DNA testing, paternity tests, and the entire biotech industry. The knowledge of DNA also accelerated the Human Genome Project and gave rise to gene therapy, synthetic biology, and CRISPR technology. While Watson and Crick received the Nobel Prize in 1962, the role of Rosalind Franklin, who died before the prize was awarded, has since been widely recognized. The double helix is more than a scientific model. It is a universal symbol of life, biology, and innovation. This experiment marked the beginning of a new era where life's code could be read, written, and edited. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time.